Ciao everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of Italian cuisine, but with a twist. We'll be exploring the unknown facts about a classic Italian dish, spiedini. So, grab a seat, and let's uncover the secrets behind this mouth-watering delight. Before we jump into the unknown facts, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of spiedini. Grilled to perfection, these skewers are a staple in Italian cooking, but there's more to them than meets the eye. Historical origins. Did you know that the history of spiedini dates back centuries? The concept of skewering and grilling meat has ancient roots, with evidence suggesting that the Romans were among the first to adopt this cooking method. They would thread meats onto sticks and cook them over an open flame, a tradition that has evolved into the spiedini we know today. Versatility of ingredients. One fascinating aspect of spiedini is its versatility. While the classic version features meat, particularly lamb or beef, Italians have taken creativity to new heights. Seafood spiedini with succulent shrimp and fresh fish, or even vegetarian spiedini with grilled vegetables, showcase the adaptability of this dish. It's a culinary canvas that allows chefs to experiment with flavors. Regional variations. Just like many other Italian dishes, spiedini boasts regional variations. Different areas of Italy have put their own unique spin on this grilled delicacy. For example, in Sicily, you might find spiedini with a touch of citrus, adding a zesty flair to the smoky flavor. Meanwhile, in Tuscany, it's not uncommon to see spiedini featuring a blend of aromatic herbs like rosemary and thyme. Social and cultural significance. Beyond its delectable taste, spiedini holds social and cultural significance in Italy. It's a dish often enjoyed during celebrations, family gatherings, and festivals. The communal experience of preparing and sharing spiedini brings people together, making it more than just a meal. It's a tradition that fosters connections and cherished memories. The marinade magic. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce, literally. The magic behind many spiedini recipes lies in the marinade. It's not just about soaking the meat. It's about infusing it with a symphony of flavors. Olive oil, garlic, herbs, and sometimes even a splash of wine come together to create a marinade that elevates the taste to a whole new level. Grilled bread, the unsung hero. Here's a secret many overlook. Grilled bread. While the focus is often on the protein, Italians have a knack for adding a simple yet profound touch. Slices of bread, lightly grilled alongside the spiedini, soak up the delicious juices, creating a side dish that's crispy on the outside and flavorful on the inside. Spiedini in Italian art and literature. Believe it or not, spiedini has made its way into Italian art and literature. From Renaissance paintings featuring scenes of outdoor feasts with skewered delights to classic Italian novels describing the joy of sharing spiedini with loved ones, this dish has woven itself into the cultural fabric of Italy. Modern twists and fusion. As we embrace the 21st century, chefs worldwide are putting their own spin on spiedini. You might find fusion versions like spiedini tacos or spiedini sliders, blending Italian tradition with global influences. It's a testament to the dish's adaptability and its ability to evolve with changing culinary trends. The sacred grilling ritual. Did you know that in some Italian households, grilling spiedini is considered a sacred ritual? Passed down through generations, families gather around the barbecue, sharing stories and laughter as they carefully turn each skewer. It's not just about the food. It's about creating lasting memories. Spiedini festivals. Italy's love for spiedini is so profound that some regions celebrate it with dedicated festivals. Imagine bustling streets lined with vendors grilling an array of spiedini, from classic to experimental. These festivals are a celebration of culinary diversity, bringing communities together in the name of skewered delights. The art of skewering. There's an art to skewering spiedini, and it goes beyond simply impaling meat on a stick. Skewering is a craft passed down from skilled hands, ensuring each piece is perfectly balanced for even cooking. It's a skill that speaks to the meticulous nature of Italian culinary traditions. Spiedini in Italian superstitions. Here's a quirky fact: in some Italian regions, spiedini hold a place in superstitions. It's believed that if you accidentally drop a spiedino on the ground while cooking, it's a sign of impending good luck. So, if you find yourself fumbling with those skewers, don't fret, it might just bring a stroke of fortune your way. There you have it, folks. The unknown facts behind Italian Spiedini that make it more than just a skewer of grilled goodness. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Italian cuisine, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Grazie mille for joining us today on our channel. Until next time, happy cooking and ciao for now.